I have 4 little friends that I want to introduce to you. They arrived at our house about 4 months ago. It's time to feed them. So I'll tell you all about them while we get their food ready. They are 4 kittens from the same litter. Again, about 4 months old, so now they only occasionally nurse, and it's just for comfort because we do still have the queen living with us. And they eat a combination of wet food, which is my homemade cat food recipe. I dilute mine with water just to get them to improve hydration. This is the same mix that I feed the adult cats. It's just the baby cats get it more frequently. And I mix it with dry kibble. And so here we go. This is a couple tablespoons, and this one, I don't have the video on it yet, but it combines poultry protein along with fish protein, and it is grain-free, so a pretty cool recipe. My cats are loving it. So some kibble to go with it. You can see I have my kitten size scoop because they eat definitely more frequently than the adult cats. A little bit more because they just seem to be a little bit hungry after this. Okay. And I'm gonna bring my bowls over here, and I'm gonna introduce you to my newest little friends. They're gonna come eat with me so I can show them to you. They're getting a little bit excited. Here they go. And there. Come on. Yay. Come on, babies. Oh, yeah. All right, right here we have Pudge. We have Smudge. Smudge is mostly black and white, a tuxedo cat, but Smudge, the markings seem to be a little bit like fuzzy around the edges, so she got the name Smudge. And Smudge always seems to be in just a smidge of trouble. If there's a cat into something, it would be this one. Right next to Smudge, I have her very much bigger brother. This is Pudge. He is polydactyl, just like his mama. So he's got lots of extra fingers and toes and claws. Let's see if I can show you. If he'll show you. Say hi. Here, look at that paw. His paws have paws. He's a big boy. All right, now we have little Fudge. She's almost all black except for a cute pink little nose and little white booties and a little white chest. She is very, very sweet, very loving, and hungry at the moment. And finally, we have little Judge. Sometimes I call her Judge Judy. But she is Judge because she loves to just sit back and watch everyone around her. And it often seems she has a low opinion of some of us. So these are our 4 newest kittens. They are cats 15, 16, 17, and 18 in our household. Yes, that we have that many right now. And they are about 4 months old, fully indoors still because they're so little. And again, they're enjoying their combination of wet and dry food. But this is Smudge, Pudge, Fudge, and Judge. Thanks for watching.